Assalamu alaikum. Hi, it's Sami, and today I am going to make a video on how to edit MS Word template. So, first we have to download our template that we like. So, here is the template that I am using for this tutorial. I have downloaded the resume MS Word template that I like. Alright, so our next step is to explore this and learn how to edit it. So after downloading, we have to extract this. So here is the method to extract. Right click and go to extract file. If you want to change the location, you can choose from here. Otherwise, keep it default and press OK. So here we get our MS Word template for resume and cover letter customization. I will open this folder. Here you will get two files, resume and cover letter. Might be name will be different as this is the just example. So in this video I am going to tell you how to customize MS Word template for resume, and for cover letter the method is same. So I am opening this file, and here is the file that we are going to customize according to our information. In this template, here it is written your first name. So we will mention our name full, and I am here going to write our name, Sami. If you want to change the size, you can easily change your size according to your requirement. And here I am mentioning my full name. If your name is lengthy and you want to write complete like this, then we have to make this box long. Now it is complete. Here we will write our job position. I am right CEO Ilamgar. So our next is contact detail. So here we will write our phone number. If you want to write according to your country code, you can write it. Otherwise, it is your choice to mention your country code or not. Like here, I am writing my phone number. And same, if you want to increase the size, definitely you can increase. But after increasing the size, you have to make the box lengthy. Here it is saying email address. So I will write my email address. Next, here is our LinkedIn account. If you have LinkedIn account, you can write that. If you have website, you can write website. If you want to change the icon, how we will change it? Let's suppose a person came and say I have a website. So we will write her domain name like ilamgar.com. Now icon should be according to website. So we will replace this icon by right clicking, change picture, go online, search website icon, and see the icon has been appeared and it is changed. Now next is address. So I am writing my address here. Next is to add our picture. So we will going to add a picture. To replace your picture, go to this icon, right click, click on change picture, upload your choose your picture. So here my picture has been inserted. Now next is about. Here you will write your objective all you want. If you want to write or increase your size, you can similarly do it. Alright. Here is your education come, simply replace this, replace your experience, everything. Here is language. Let's suppose you want to add something new. then what we will do? First, let's suppose I have a two experience I have written here. Next, I will delete this area that is not required. This area has been removed as it was not required. Now I want to add here my certificate. So how I will add it? Select all these, right click and group them. Copy it, Control C and paste Control V. As you are new, so I am guiding you according to it. Just move it up, move it down where we need it. So here we go. Here I am. I will ungroup it and replace the information that we want. Let's suppose I want to add here certification. So I am writing it, certificate, graphic designing, from where we do it, as this data is dummy, so ignore everything. Look, country name, it will be Lahore everywhere. Now let's suppose I have one more certification, then I will repeat it this action. I will increase the height and width to add more. So here I added a new section. Same, if you want to edit this information, you can simply edit it according to your require. One thing, if you want to change the font, you can simply change the font by selecting it, and here we go, as you want. It depend upon you. Now if someone want to change the color of icons or anything, then how it can happen? To change the color, simply select and go to format. Here you will see shape fill. Click here and choose the color that you want. Let's suppose I want here this color, blue accent. I will select it. Next, I want to change the icons color. Then this can same. Go to format picture. Here picture color. You can add it at as you want. This one. So icon color has been changed. Now if I want to change the color of this format picture, click here, picture color, and choose the same pattern, blue accent color. Here we go. The color has been replaced with our according to format. Now if we want to replace this, double click, go to format, shape fill, and choose same color. Same, you can change the color of all bar that you want. Next, here is the language. If I want to change the color, here we go, and here I choose same color. I zoom in. First ungroup it if you want, otherwise double click it. Now I have selected the right. item. So I will click here and choose the color. Write the language here. If some alphabet it is missing, it means there is issue of version compatibility. So just click and stand it like this. I will replace it with my language as I am learning right now Korean. So I know this language. I will write it and extend it. Same. Now our resume is ready according to our need. So save it by pressing Ctrl S. Then how to save it as a PDF? Click on File, Export, Create PDF, and save the file where you want. And here we are ready with our new resume. Alright, I did not change the color of alls, as if I do it then the video will be lengthy and you will get bored. I hope you understood how to customize the MS template according to our requirement. If you have any question, please ask me. I will happy to answer it. See you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.